If you have the time, could you sit and talk a while? There's no singer's perfect time, but it's just been a while. You don't understand how much I need the man. And no, it hurts to say it. It was never in my plans, but he's got me wrapped up around his finger, and I just don't know if I can cut loose. Tell me what to do. It's been a while since I knew. Oh, my days go gray when he's not with me. Oh, it's risky. I've given him all. I've given him all of my soul, and it's just so much on my mind when I think that I could lose him. Oh, but I don't want to prove to him that he's all I've ever known. Oh, wow, but he knows I love him so. Driving me crazy, my baby, where you been lately?